Hi, my name's Chris Hopkins with Real Infused Exotics. Thank you for joining us. We dive into the next cocktail series with a drink that we're kind of inspired by the introduction of superfoods into cocktails. This drink's something we like to call Meet Your Matcha. So let's get started. We're going to start off with a tablespoon of a ceremonial grade matcha powder. Matcha is like one of those beautiful kind of tea powders that people are really getting into right now, and it really boosts a lot of antioxidants and other things in your body. It's a really, really great way to kind of get a cocktail started. Then for the drink itself, we're going to add 2 ounces of sake. So sake is a traditional rice wine, which is a little bit softer and lighter, but represents a lot like a vodka. Adding in ½ ounce of freshly pressed lime juice is going to give us a nice little pop of acidity. And then we're going to get into the sweetness. So first of all, we're going to start with ½ ounce of the Great Real Cocoa, bringing a nice creamy richness and texture to the cocktail. And then my favorite new flavor in the flavor range of Real, the yuzu. So yuzu is this beautiful Asian citrus. It's kind of exotic and interesting. It's got like bright acidity to it. It's got a little bit of hint of sweetness. It's usually really, really hard to find. So the fact that we can find it in this format now is a really great way to use it in cocktails, teas, and other things. So I'm gonna give that a bit of a mix up to kind of integrate all of that matcha in there. Then we're gonna add some ice and give it a shake. We're going to strain that out over some fresh ice. To finish it off, we're just going to put a little sprinkle of the matcha powder on top. And there we have it. Something exotic, something interesting, and something super fun in the superfood category. Meet Your Matcha. I'm Chris Hopkins with Real Infused Exotics. Thank you for joining us as we dive into cocktail sections with all the different flavors that we have to offer, and we look forward to you joining us again soon. Until then, take care.